Hello. So welcome to our next part of the tutorial about basic.net. So our topic for today talks about the checklist box control. So remember, the checklist box is similar to list box that we have discussed earlier. So except that it displays all items in the list with the checkbox and allow the user to check or uncheck multiple items. So, to begin with, let's now use the checklist box. So, lagay natin dito. Ayan. So, kung napansin nyo, ang difference lang naman ng list box tsaka ng checklist box is it has an item with check mark dito sa gilid. So, if you run this as default, walang laman yan. So that's why we need to add an item inside the checkbox or checklist box. So same lang din. Let's first go to the naming convention. So if you are using checklist box, we're going to use CLB, checklist box. Okay, so halimbawa we were going to use this as a fruits, no? Lalagyan natin ng mga fruits. Okay, dito sa loob ng checklist box. Okay, so inside the CLB fruits, inside the form load, maglalagay na ako ng value. So CLB fruits that same lang items that add, and then put all the fruits that you want inside the add. So halimbawa we have banana. Okay. Let's put apple. Mango. Isa pa. Orange. Okay, so once you add the item inside the checklist box, so ganito siya. So as you can see, you can select and then click. Okay, each of these values. Now, since meron na tayong ganito, the next thing is I will going to create a button. Okay, a button wherein lahat ng mga sinelect natin. Okay, once you click that button, automatically ipapakita niya lahat ng mga selected items. Okay, so for example, button. So we add another button. Okay. Okay, lagay natin dito on the text display selected. Okay. So if I click this, automatically display niya lahat ng selected items. Then I'm going to display it on a message box na lang. Okay, lalagay natin kung ano yung mga sinelect mo rito, yung naka-check, automatically pag click mo yung display selected, ilalabas niya yung selected fruits. Okay, so let's go now here. So of course, as usual, you're going to change this to btn display selected. So next, let's go now inside button display selected. So the first thing that you need to do is to create a string, no, that will holds the value of the selected fruits. So I'm going to use here dim. Okay, selected. Okay, as new, no? Okay, then we're going to use the what we call string builder. Okay, system. You just type here system dot text. Okay, dot string builder. So when we say string builder, it is a type of string wherein you can put an item inside. So this selected is used as a string builder. Now, how do we use the selected value? Okay, first, okay, ang gagawin natin is gagamit tayo ng for each. Okay, for each. So as you can see, if you use for each, there must be a counter. Okay, element no, that represent each element on the checkbox or in the checklist box. Okay, so let's call it as an item. Okay, for each item. So item is a variable. Okay, in the name of your checkbox, CLB fruits. Okay, that check items. Hanapin mo rito yung check items. So anong ibig sabihin nun? For each item daw na makikita nyo dito sa CLB fruits na naka-check. Ayan, check items means all the items that being checked. Okay, nasa loob siya ng for loop or ng for next. And then ang gagawin natin is papasok natin siya dun sa selected na string builder. So ang gagawin mo lang, selected dot append. Okay, and then you will going to append the item that is being selected. Okay, so ipapasok mo siya sa loob. Okay, and then para hindi magkagulo, kasi magkakagulo-gulo yan, magkakadikit-dikit, okay, you create another append. Okay, para naman, lagyan mo siya ng space. Okay, lalagyan mo siya ng space. So, yung item, ipapakita, then mag-a-append ng space. Okay, so ganun yung balak natin na gawin dito. Okay, so let's try. Let's run. Okay, so we have here the four fruits. If I click banana and orange, and I click display selected, ba't walang lumabas? Alam ko na kung bakit walang lumabas, kasi hindi pa naman tayo gumamit ng message box. So ang gagawin natin yan is after nung 4, we were going to use message box. Okay, yung prompt, lalagay mo dito yung selected fruits are. Okay, and then gagawin lang natin is we're going to concatenate it with, okay, sino yung concatenate natin? Of course, yung selected. Okay, and close. So may kulang, define as, okay, yung selected mo daw kasi is string builder. So kailangan nating i-convert into string. So lagyan mo dito ng to string. Okay, so yun, mawawala yung error. Okay, so let's try. So I check banana, I check orange, and then display. So ayun. So selected fruits are banana and orange. Okay, so if I uncheck, check this one, and then apple, mango, and orange. Ayan. Selected fruits are apple, mango, and orange. So that's it, plus ganun kadali ang paggamit ng checklist box. So ang gusto kong gawin niyo rito is you try this code, this program, and then paki-aral yung gamit ng for each. Okay, paki-aral din yung gamit ng message box and how to add data inside the checklist box. Okay, so that's all for today para dun sa checklist box control natin. If you have any question, just message me in my messenger, and later on we're going to have another set of topic naman for another control for Visual Basic.net. Okay, thank you for listening and watching. Have a great day.